After finishing this activity, you'll be able to create and apply conditional formatting on data in Excel worksheet. Conditional formatting. As we have learned so far, Excel has a wide variety of easy-to-use tools for organizing, sorting, and otherwise marking information. Think back to when we applied styles to a cell to indicate good or bad information, or information that needs to be verified. Excel also has the ability to automatically apply such markings through conditional formatting. With conditional formatting, you provide Excel with a rule, such as, for example, less than 10, and the program will scan through your data and highlight automatically all the cells that meet that rule. Conditional formatting application. To apply conditional formatting, first, you have to select the cells, rows, or columns you wish to have conditional formatting on. Here, I will select the column of total sales. After selecting the cells, or the column, or the rows, from the Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting. A drop-down menu appears that contains different options. As an example, I will go to Highlight Cells Rules. Another menu appears that contains different rules of conditional formatting. Maybe I want the values greater than a specific number or less than a specific number to be highlighted. Or maybe I want range, as in between A and B, to be highlighted, equal to, or maybe I have text information in the cells and I want the highlight to be on text that contains a specific pattern or a specific name, a date occurring, or duplicate values. And of course, you can choose to click on More Rules, and more rules will appear. I will go back to Conditional Formatting, go to Highlight Cells Rules, and I will choose Less Than. And a dialog box appears. Note that Excel will automatically provide a value, but you can manually change it. Here, for example, I will change the value to 3000. And notice that the values in my table that are less than 3000 are highlighted. Click on OK, and the highlight is transformed and reflected on my table. One important tool to keep in mind is the ability to enter your own rules. This can include applying formatting to specific date ranges, to specific text, as we mentioned, like names, or even cells that are blank. In this case, you also set the format, so instead of highlighting cells, you can choose to strike through text or change the font, change the size, or bold the text. From Conditional Formatting, go to New Rules